all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
A special CBI court on Wednesday acquitted all the 32 accused in the Babri Masjid demolition case. This came as a major relief to BJP stalwart LK Advani, former UP CM Kalyan Singh, among others. However, soon after the judgment was given, retired Justice M.S. Liberan, who headed the Liberan Commission, said that the demolition was meticulously planned. I found it was a civil conspiracy. I still believe in it. From all the evidence produced before me, it was clear that Babri Masjid demolition was meticulously planned. I remember Uma Bharti categorically took responsibility for it. It was not an unseen force that demolished the mosque. Human beings did it. The Liberan Commission was set up in 1992 right after the demolition of the Babri Masjid on 6 December the same year. In the report submitted in 2009, the Commission reported on the active involvement of senior leaders from both the RSS and the BJP. The Commission also named several big wigs including the BJP stalwart LK Advani, Murali Manohar Joshi and Uma Bharti. Liberan Commission further highlighted the collusion of the then Uttar Pradesh government. They, the conspirators, either actively or passively supported the demolition. The mobilization of Kar Sevaks was neither spontaneous or voluntary, but orchestrated and planned. Justice Liberan had said that his findings were correct and free from any bias. My findings were correct, right, honest and free from fear or any other bias. For posterity, it is a report that will provide an honest account of what took place and how. It will be part of history. All of them, Advani, Vajpayee, appeared before me, and what I found I presented in my report, but they can't be a witness against themselves. Some of them took responsibility for the demolition. However, the former Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh High Court refused to comment on the court's judgment. I will not comment on the judge or the court or the CBI investigation. I believe everyone does his job honestly. The court has the right to differ. There can be no dispute about its power or working. Justice Liberan also pointed out the fact that the demolition of the masjid could have been prevented with proper administrative planning and timely action. The point of prevention of the demolition was also highlighted in the Liberan Commission's report. The CBI court, which acquitted the 32 accused in the case, had cited lack of evidence against the accused. The court did not accept most of the evidence submitted by the CBI, which included videos and photographs of the event.